everyone. Have you ever imagined creating toys, tools, or even house parts using a machine at home? Today, we are going to learn 10 vocabulary words from the topic 3D printers. So let's begin. The first word is geek. 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 Someone who knows a lot about science or technology, especially computers. Chuck is a tech geek who created a 3D printer. Warp, 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 of a surface or hard material to bend or twist so that the surface is no longer flat or straight. For example, the plastic material will warp due to the printer overheating. Filament, 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 a thin thread or fiber of natural or artificial material. For example, 3D printers use filament in the process of creating objects in each layer. Innumerable, 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 too many to be counted or very many. For example, there are innumerable objects we can create with a 3D printer. Distort, Distrort, distort, to change the shape of something so that it looks strange or unnatural. For example, too much heat can distort the printed result. In hindsight, I should check the printer settings first before use it. Hindsight, 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 the ability to understand an event or situation only after it has happened. Older 3D printers were cumbersome to use due to their large size. Cumbersome, 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 difficult to do or manage and taking a lot of time and effort. Modern printers are capable to produce detailed designs. Capable, 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 able to do things effectively and skillfully and to achieve results. Leap, 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 to increase, improve, or grow very quickly. For example, 3D printing technology has leapt rapidly in recent days. The forerunner of the 3D printer was Chuck Hull in 1983. Forerunner, 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 an early, often less advanced model of something. So those are 10 vocabulary words from the topic 3D printers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next vocabulary pass.